Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and this is just a little update on the crochet along for the baby blanket. And I wanted to give you a quick update because if you are wondering how you can assess how many balls of white you might need, I've now finished. I know that you're going to all be using different yarn, and I'm using this Women's Institute DK, which is really lovely and soft. It's beautiful, really lovely yarn. But there are 250 meters in this particular scheme. So the 250 meters will make 11, I've just dropped one on the floor, 11 of these squares. So that will give you a kind of a rough idea. I'm going to be doing 20, but it depends how many you want for your blanket. If you look and sort of judge, they are this size. So if you lay them out on a flat surface, then you can work out exactly how many across and down that you want to make. Whether you're happy with 3 across and 4 down. I want 4 across, 5 down. If it was a cot or something bigger, or maybe I'd want a square for a lap gown if you're not making it in baby colours. But it just gives you a rough idea. So I've bought 4 of these just to be on the safe side. So I think I'll have more than enough, probably way too much. The other thing that I wanted to just update, I've sewed all my ends in, so it's difficult to see, but this is the end where my join is. So if while you're doing your join, you're quite a loose crocheter and your treble crochet or double crochet in US terms is quite long, and you feel that that is too long for this corner join, then by all means you can do a half treble or a half double in the US. So that's actually a shorter stitch. So you can do that instead of the treble crochet to join at that corner. You can do it the shorter stitch, the half treble, a half double. And then when you get around to the very last row, if you wanted to keep it so that it looks exactly the same as all the other 3 corners, sorry, then you could just do 1 chain, join and end off, because after all you're going to sew that end in, so it doesn't really matter where it ends off. We're doing that stitch in the beginning of our work to join, so that we finish right in the dead center of the corner. Of course, on the last round it doesn't really matter about that. So if you wanted to, just to make it even, on the last round you can just do 1 chain and join it if you wish. Just thought I'd let you know in case you think that might look better. So basically it's just a short update, and I'm leaving you to continue making your squares for now, and then I will upload a next video will be how to join them. I'm going to do a couple of different ways because obviously this is aimed towards beginners, so some ways are more difficult than others and you can get to choose. So thank you for watching, just a short update there, and I'll be back shortly. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.